Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning one of Allah's name from 99 names of Allah. This name is Ya Qabidu. So Qabid meaning occupier. So Allah occupies everything. So this way we are requesting Allah with this name Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu. If you start reading this name of Allah after every Farz Salah 21 times, all types of black magic and other magics will not effect upon you. So you will be saved from all type of magics. If you read it 21 times after every Farz Salah, inshallah you will be saved from all type of magics. This way, if someone has some bad habits, and if you want to remove the bad habits of that person, you have to start reading Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu 100 times. Start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And then blow on water and give this water to drink to that person who is under bad habits. So continue to give him this water until 7 days. So after the end of 7 days, you will see the changing in the person. If you will feel the changing or minimum, then you continue 7 days more. So inshallah, the bad habits will be removed from the person, and inshallah, good habits will come in that person, because Allah will control the person and Allah occupy all of the person's habits. And when Allah occupy the person, the bad things automatically will be removed by the angels and good things will come into the person's habits. Similarly, if you start reading 100 times Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu after Salatul Fajr every time, every day, start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, the enemies will not hurt you, will not harm you, and you will be saved from them. And all the difficulties will become easy. And you will enjoy the good life, and inshallah Allah's blessings will fall upon you. Similarly, if a woman, a lady, a girl who is under problem and want to save her, save her life from the person who is just to do sexual evil with the girl. So the girl or the woman is just to save herself from sexual incident. So that girl or woman should read Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu at least 7 times or 11 times. Then say to Allah, I am handing over my body and my respect, everything to you. I gave everything under your occupation. So, O Allah, protect me from here, this situation where I am. So, inshallah, Allah's angels will occupy that person and she will be protected. And the person who want to do some sexual attack, so that will be afraid by the angels, or that will feel some hurt or harm or problem and will be away from the girl or the woman, and she will be saved inshallah. Similarly, if a person who is under occupation of someone, and that person or those people, they are more and they want to kill the person, or they want to hurt the person, or they want to do something wrong with the person must read Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, 7 times or 11 times, then request Allah that I am giving myself under your occupation, under your, so you just, I am under your control. So, oh Allah, help me now, protect me from this situation, from these people. Inshallah, that person will be protected. The angels will occupy the whole situation in a circle, and that person will be fully protected by Allah, inshallah. Similarly, if the army of the Muslims, if they want to defeat the enemies, and they want to the area where the Muslims are under torture, and if they want to occupy that area also, so they should invade the enemy and go forward, and just reading Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, Ya Qabidu, so they will get the victory, and also they will occupy the area, and they will have no more suffering, and the enemies will suffer a lot of losses of life and properties and different things. So financial, so many losses will happen to the enemies, and the Muslim people who are Muslim army will be saved, inshallah, because of Allah's angels will be there in a help to save them and to protect them from those type of kuffar, and will kill them or will help them to save them from there, inshallah. So the main thing is Allah's name, Ya Qabidu, has more and more influence in our life. So we have to request Allah. When we are request Allah with this name, we must understand that we are before Allah, who is the greatest of all. So we must be pure with purity like ablution, wudu, and we must have a good mind, and we fully concentrate towards Allah with our soul and heart, completely and fully leaving everything aside. So then request Allah with our special that voice which is like requesting voice, and then inshallah you will get the fruit of it and you will be saved. So Allah gave us tawfiq, inshallah, to save us from all type of problems of life. So, and under Allah's protection, Allah's occupation, Allah's control. So we inshallah request Allah every time. So Allah is ready to help us, to protect us. So inshallah we will be saved. Allah gave us tawfiq to help other Muslims also to convey the good things, so that they can get the life more better and in full protection. Allah gave us tawfiq. Ameen.